Hello and welcome back. Today, I would like to show to you our sheet metal component straightening machine. This machine has been installed in New York, USA. This machine is capable to straighten 25 mm thick and 1500 mm wide parts. Currently, the client is processing laser cut bars of automotive and earth-moving industry. Multiple parts can be fed at once and straightened. The real-time position of the rollers can be seen on the digital readouts. The roller position can be set up and down using the hand wheels located at the top. We also have a motorized model as well as a fully automatic model. The digital readouts ensure there is no human error in setting the roller position. As we can see, the parts have been straightened. We will now place it on a surface table to inspect the parts. A filler gauge is used to inspect the leveling accuracy of the parts. 0.3 mm filler gauge is being used, and as evident, the components have come within 0.3 mm accuracy. We hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.